Recording.
It says recording, right?
Now, yeah, now I can get out of there.
Yeah.
Go back to my maps.
Okay.
Yeah. What's that all about?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Off we go.
Up again. Now you got your tummy full, so you should be able to talk all the way down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Napoli's Pizza and Subs. That's a little one.
Yep. Joe and Ho has to go.
And the hoe. Not Joe and Ho. Joe and the hoe.
Joe Ho.
Go ho! My GPS isn't talking.
It's not.
Mm-mm.
Just follow the picture. We put the setting as the intercom to be the most important.
Yeah.
Might have to change out. You know?
Yeah.
Or it's half and half. We'll try that next stop.
Back on 77 South. Bye-bye, Marietta.
By Ohio, too.
Yep, by Ohio. See you in a few days. We're going to go across West Virginia. Welcome to West Virginia, wild and wonderful.
And we're off again.
We're off. Now in West Virginia. A lot of boats out.
Harley-Davidson shop.
Yeah. Perfect day for riding bikes or boating. I like on a hot day to ride. You don't feel the heat as much until you stop and you're roasting.
Yep.
You can feel the water dripping down your butt.
You don't like wet things.
No. There's the Harley-Davidson shop on the hill.
Yep,
We've been there lots of times.
lots of times.
S&P Harley-Davidson. Miles from Charleston.
Yeah. Might be spending the night in West Virginia somewhere.
Yeah. Roger.
Yes.
My white shield to lift it up is right here, the left of my mouth.
I know, and there's one on the right side.
I thought you were saying like on the side of my helmet.
No. You kept saying you try to lift it up in the middle.
Yeah.
No, it's on the left and the right. You figure it out?
Yeah.
That's a good girl.
My eyes are itching. I get some allergies. Usually my nose itches and then my eyes start itching and now their eyes are itching.
You know, I'm really proud of you. You've had that helmet for almost a week.
Shut up. I never had it on my head this long.
Oh, I think you should have at least checked it out.
I did the day we tried it on. I knew it then I forgot. Can't help it. Forget. Exit 179, a bunch of wineries. For a bunch of winos. This is the wetlands. The wetlands. So we're all filled up. Our bellies are all filled up. Now we're back on the saddle, doing it again. Right?
That's it. Getting a few more miles under our belt.
Yep. This is our second trip for the year.
Our first one to Maine, the first couple of days was nice, and then it rained 2 days, and it was cold and wet.
What an experience.
Somebody tried to talk her into going up there. this time of year.
Nah. It's still cold. Someday, somewhere.
You just have to ride when you got a chance to ride, that's all.
Yep. Menards. I love that place.
Felt like Mom and Dad was impressed with the one down in the Highlands.
They didn't even go to it.
No, but they just saw the building. Couldn't believe how big it was.
I think everybody should go to it at least one time. I love that place. They sell everything. I didn't realize when David told us all those years how well it was, and we're like, yeah, you're right. But my gosh, a big Lowe's that sells groceries and clothes and decorations. It's crazy. Badlizard.com.
What was that?
Badlizard.com.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Place they sent bad lizards.
Well,
Lion's Den, you want to stop there?
no. They're all over the place.
I know. Keep telling you, that's why my videos ain't taking off.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe you told John and Michelle that yesterday.
That's alright. They get a kick out of it. Get a kick out of everything. He watches these videos anyway. Someday, somehow, Boat Express. Climbing the mountain, here we go. So I can't get over, I was posting on Facebook that we were going to Tennessee, and how many people that's already been there in the last couple months, and how many people is coming now, Roger, and end of the month. It's just crazy. It's like more and more people are going here, you know?
Yep. It's a nice place, I keep telling you. I think because everybody was cooped up because of the pandemic, too.
Yeah. Never heard anybody going to Tennessee as much as I hear this year. It's just crazy.
Like I said, well, I used to come down here every year for quite a few years.
Can't Tammy texted me. She wanted to know where we were staying at, and I told her where we were going and staying, that it was so much cheaper, and how much a night it was going to be if you stayed in actual Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg. And she asked me how far away, and I'm like, I don't know, like 20 to 30 minutes away. It's nothing. And she's like, no, it ain't. And I says, to be somewhere a lot cheaper is so much better. Then you can spend your money somewhere else. So she wanted to know what's the website I got for this. And when we get down here, she wants to see how the cabins are, what it really looks like. Because when I told her, I said, our cabins for only 2 people, and she said, well, that's all they need.
Well, it seems to me like it's right behind Douglas Lake, and when we stayed down there at Douglas Lake one year.
Yeah.
It's pretty down through there.
I told her there's a lot to do right there in Sevierville, too.
Yeah.
They have wax museums, they have helicopter rides, there's all kinds of stuff, just like if you were down in Pigeon Forge.
I think Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg kind of got famous because of Dolly World and stuff like that.